Want to convert your online visitors into customers? Add your booking page to your website in 3 easy steps. Go to Apps and Integrations, then click on Booking widget. Leave steps 1 and 2, but in step 3, select I'll embed the code myself. In step 4, select and copy the code. Now open your web editor. Paste the code where you want it to appear in your website. If you use a web builder, most will have an embed code or HTML option. Use that feature to paste the code. Publish your changes to see the button in action.